welcome back to my channel. Your girl Angelica Bow back in with a brand new video. So in today's video, I am reviewing and trying the Animo Repair Damage Therapy shampoo and conditioner for my hair. So let's just get into it. When I tell you this shampoo light up real good, it felt so good on my natural hair. I wish I did use the product on, when my hair was loose and not in miniature, but overall, it still got some good results and whatnot. Either way, but it really did good. But the only thing I really didn't like too much when it came down to using the shampoo and stuff, it's the fact that it felt like it was hard to get out. I don't know because I had the mini twist in or what, but it felt like kind of hard to get the shampoo out of my hair. But the shampoo got out, but I guess it's just what me that I don't know. If you try and had that problem, let me know. It's not just me, but overall, I liked it. It got my scalp clean. And so my hair felt stronger and curly. Don't worry, stay tuned to the end. You see the result after me using the shampoo and conditioner, how my hair look. But the shampoo overall, it was good. I give it like a 4.5 out of 5. And not a bad shampoo, and then I would definitely keep using it. It just I get more to natural hair products and stuff. So using Dove, I was kind of hesitant about it damaged therapy. So let me just try it. If for curly hair, it meant for repair damage. Let me just try it. Let's see how it works for my natural hair. So I liked it. It really did. I do when I shampoo my hair. You don't know. When I shampoo my hair twice. So I do put the shampoo in my hair 2 times. Do at the process, so you would notice that. And so, but yeah, so when I use it, I'm putting the second pump of shampoo, the second round of shampoo and stuff into my scalp. And keep in mind, when you do shampoo your hair, you focus on the scalp. You don't put it on the rest of your hair. You focus on the scalp. Shampoo is meant for your scalp, so make sure when you do it, make sure you put it on your scalp only. And I massage my hair because I love massaging. Because massaging, especially with my shampoo brush, it not only helps get all the dead skin, dandruff, or whatever, it also helps simulate that hair growth. And so I love it. That helps simulate hair growth and make it so much easier. And so I love the shampoo brush. I got it from the Dollar Tree. So make sure you try it. That is my favorite shampoo brush and stuff to use on my scalp because not only it get my hair clean, my hair be feeling so clean, but it you to tell it get everything out. And my scalp be feeling so fresh and renewed after using it. And I just honestly love it. I be in love with my shampoo. But and you see it light up so good. You can see it light up so good. Just look at it I say I love it. so I'm just trying to get all the shampoo out of my hair, as you can see. Just trying to get it out. Like I said, it felt like I was struggling to get it out, especially at the top of my crown area, top of my head. But overall, it did come out good. So it was a really good shampoo. Oh, really shampoo. But soon I'm gonna put the conditioner. I do love the conditioner for this as well. But like I said, when I was saying about the struggle, I felt like I was struggling to get the conditioner out. That's why I was saying using shampoo, but I felt like it was stuck in my head. I didn't know what was going on, but overall, my hair felt clean. It didn't feel like, streaky clean, but it felt like, it clean. It got a moisture, especially during wintertime. Hair is dry during wintertime. Because I know my hair is really dry this time of year. Because, oh my God, I got to keep my hair moisturized, oiled up, and everything on a regular basis. I'm telling you, on a regular basis. But you see, you go struggling. That's how bad you go struggling out here. It's struggling. But, all the shampoo came out. Overall, all the shampoo came out. I felt like I was struggling trying to get it out. Now, on to the conditioner. This baby, one time my hair felt so moisturized, my color was defined, and everything. Honestly, I love the consistency and everything of it. It just, oh my God, I never seen my hair curly. When I use detail part, my cut never was defined. My cut is still defined to this day. It's been a week or so since I washed my hair. It's been over a week since I washed my hair. My hair is still curly. My cut's never been curly even after a day or two. So for the fact this conditioner got my hair still curly, I don't know, them probably be into rotation versus the natural hair part because my natural hair never stay the color. I got typhoid hair. And when my hair dry, you gonna see no color. But apparently my hair is dry and you still can see a color pattern. Like, what? So that definitely did a big one with the amino color repair damage therapy shampoo conditioner because my color color and it's still colored to this day. So honestly, the consistent, it was good slip. Like I really do want to try it when I do take the twist out. I do really want to try the part again when my hair actually, my natural actually out and flowing. Just to see how like the result, like actually see like my cut pattern and stuff like that. Because right now they got these mini twists in because obviously it's winter time. I'm trying to protect the side at the point in time. I really don't like to mess with my hair, especially during the winter time. And so I like to apply protect the silent and just leave my hair alone and to make sure it stays moisturized throughout the summer, throughout the winter time. So that's why I wash my hair like when I do winter time. I wash my hair every 2 weeks because it let dry and I do it just in the climate where it would just dry. So now I'm back in the climate where it's like it's cold and hot right now. So the weather is like changes very. So with that being said, I gotta that's why I'm trying to wash my hair every 2 weeks just to maintain moisture as much as possible. But yeah, the conditioner everything at my hair, it just like I told you earlier, it felt like that shampoo was in my hair. Even after the conditioner, it felt like that shampoo would live sit in my hair. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I definitely see you in my next video. Before you go, I forgot to add the extra clip, but here's the clip of my hair after shampoo conditioner. As you can see, look at the color definition. I'm not lying. But anyway, see you guys in my next video. Bye.